Hi guys, Lonsdor has launched new product KW100. Today we have received and take the unboxing video for it. KW100 has two kinds of box. One is for single device, another is for suite. The suite includes one KW100 and two LT20 smart keys. Today we will unbox this single device box. It shows the appearance of KW100 from front of box. See the back of the box. We can find parameters and two QR codes for downloading. One is for Apple and another is for Android. You can also search Lonsdor to download. Now let's open the box. There's one main device and official standard cables inside. The device has a matte texture. It is in midnight blue with 3 indicator lights. They are power indicator light, Bluetooth indicator light, working station. Indicator light from left to right. This small hole is for chip identifying and copying. This big hole works as remote generation and frequency detection. On the top of device is a Type-C interface. Now let's see the cables. One is for Type-C, one is for Lightning. So we can use power bank, phone, even the socket as power supply. That's all for the unboxing video. Thanks for watching.